So in today's video, I'm going to make rice, lamb, and stir fry okra. So for the ingredients, I have potatoes already peeled. Still have my Savoy cabbage. I haven't touched it. I'll make a half of it because this is too much, the whole of it. So I have okra, and I have aubergine. I have bell peppers, tomato, and there's some shallots underneath. So these ones I'm going to stir fry them separately. Yeah, it will be like a side dish. So for the rice, I'm just gonna cook normal. Just put it in a pot, hot boiling water. Yeah. So it will take about 30 minutes to cook everything. So for the meat, it's almost done. It's soft and tender now. So I'll take it out of uh, the fire, then start stir frying the rest of the vegetables. Stay tuned and enjoy. So the lamb is soft. So I've just diced the potatoes and threw them in. So what I'll do, I'll add water and add this spice called vegeta. It's an organic spice. So I'll fill this pot to 3/4 with water and the spices, and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. While it's simmering, I'll start chopping up my vegetables ready for stir frying. So I'm starting by frying my shallots and garlic, smelling so good. That is, if you are here with me. Yeah. I just like traditional cooking, that's all. And make sure that your vegetables are not overcooked. Is the one thing I like, because I like my vegetables crunchy, and that's the way it should be anyway. So I let it brown for, yeah, just let it brown. I'm just using a spoon. Yeah. Yeah, let it brown. Then I throw in my okra. Yeah. Let it cook lightly. It's a bit slimy. Yeah, it turns out to be slimy a while you're cooking it. It's very nutritious. I might need to add a little bit of water, a splash of water, so that it doesn't burn or reduce the heat. Okay, so I've added the rest of the vegetables in. Just cooked it in low heat. I decided not to add water. I just want it stir fried. Yeah, just like that. I've actually reduced the heat to minimum and let it cook slowly. Yeah, so I like, you can see the okra is still has retained the green color. That's what I like, because this retains the nutrients that is very essential in our bodies. So on the other side, my rice is just cooking, almost done. uh, I did not add anything, just cooked it like that, just steam it. Yeah. So lastly will be my cabbage. I'll just fry it in oil and one tomato. See how it goes. So that's the final product, all done, ready to plate. So lastly, stir fry the cabbage. This is full of fiber, just an addition, just like cabbage, just like that. And then a tomato. Just let it fry on its own, oil and water. Yeah, that's it. All dinner done, rice done, and then I'll plate it in a moment. So my cabbage is done. So it's time to eat. Welcome. So at last, I've put everything in this massive pot because I'm hungry. Thank you and welcome again for another video. Bye bye.